Welcome! So in this tutorial, I'm going to show you or teach you on how to fix Omegle connecting to server error. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So first of all, what you need to do is to open your browser. Click on the three little dots at the upper right corner of your screen, then select Settings. Okay? Now go to Privacy and Security option or section at the left side of your screen, then select security. Okay, so now what you need to do is to scroll down and select standard protection. Okay, so here, if you're currently using with your current service provider and you're experiencing the connecting to server error in Omegle, just go ahead and try using with next DNS. Okay, so select next DNS right here, then try on using Omegle again, okay? And that should fix your problem. But if you're still experiencing the issue, just go ahead and choose in any of these. So, for example, open DNS, so you can also do that. Okay, then try again on using Omegle. But sometimes, even if you are using with your current service provider, you'll just go ahead and you can use the Omegle without experiencing the error. Okay, but just go ahead and try changing your DNS. Okay, so that's it. I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you on the next one, and have a great day.